Hey everybody, I'd like to introduce you to Judge Ann Cohen. Now Judge Cohen here, she's a tax court judge where she ruins lives and denies justice every day. Isn't that right, Ann? Yeah, you don't even remember my name, do you? No, I didn't think so. Now my guess is that everybody that comes into your court, if you even look at their case, you don't remember what us peons say. Am I right? Of course I'm right, because you did it to me. Pointed out 5 or 6 times where the IRS either broke the law or ignored regulations, denied my rights. You didn't care. No. You didn't need any evidence. You just assumed the IRS was right. Because all of us are guilty in your eyes. It doesn't matter if the tax code's incomprehensible to even an IRS agent, and apparently even to you. No, it doesn't matter if somebody makes an honest mistake. You just heap the fines and the interest on. It's all good to you. Well, since you didn't remember my case, let's go over it. Yeah, let's refresh your memory. See, I disagreed with some of the information that's on my W-2, so I corrected it. Now, there's a form for that. Well, the IRS didn't like that at all. No. You see, even though a W-2 is what lawyer types call a third-party hearsay, the IRS, they treat them as gospel. So I demanded the evidence. So where's the evidence that my information is wrong and the W-2's right? Well, that request was ignored. The IRS just decided, we're going to call that frivolous return and slap on a $5,000 fine, top of the taxes and interest they say I owed. Now, when the IRS disagrees with my sworn testimony, Ann, yeah, they're supposed to make up their own return based on evidence the secretary has. And that's supposed to be sworn to as well. That didn't happen though, did it, Ann? No. So next thing, I get this notice of lien and levy. Now there's an interesting fact about the law for lien and levy. See, it applies to government sorts, not the rest of us regular folk. So I went to court, tax court, where I met Ann here. And I thought that any competent judge could take a look at this case and say, well, this law is this, and this doesn't apply here, and this wasn't done there. No. My demands for evidence, for clarification of laws that didn't seem to apply to me, all fell on deaf ears. See, people like Ann here, they're just rubber stamps for mob activity. And that's what it is, mob activity. You see, I questioned their demand for protection money, and they came after me. See, the IRS, they can swoop in and they can garnish your wages, they can empty your bank account, put a lien on your house, all without charge or conviction. Now, that doesn't sound like justice. That doesn't sound right at all. That doesn't sound like America. What do you think, Ann? See, for a judge, I don't think you know squat about the Constitution. How about the Fourth Amendment? Hey, you all remember the Fourth Amendment? Unreasonable searches and seizures? How about the Fifth? That I can't be deprived of my property without due process. If I am, the justice system is supposed to protect me. Yeah, but that's not the way it works, is it, Ann? No. Some government flunky says I'm guilty. I must be guilty. Guilty until proven innocent. Isn't that the way your court works, Ann? Yeah. Nor the evidence, nor the law, none of that matters to you. Just one more cog in the wheel. A whole system designed to crush the life out of us. Well, you sat up there on your bench, high and mighty, put down your decrees, ruining people's lives. Never gave a thought to them. You just came home to your nice house and your nice family after spending all day taking people's money, their houses, destroying their families. Well, maybe you're thinking about that now, huh, Ann? I ought to put a bullet in your head right now. How many lives did you destroy? How many suicides were the result of your decrees? I know I'm not the only one. What do you all think? What should be the proper punishment for such malfeasance? Well, you keep an eye on the news. You'll probably figure out what I decided.